you next time, right?
Yes.
Next week, no?
No, go home, leave this kid with your grandma.
Yeah.
Do you have ducks?
Oh, yeah.
How many?
This is what our room looks like for 4 people. We are on deck 10. Our room is 10448. This normally would be a couch, but it's been left out as a bed the entire time, so it's easier to get into bed and not have to make it a couch to a bed. So you got 2 people there, 1 person here, and then this comes out right here to make sleeping of 4. Things that we've done a little different or added to our room to make it easier for us. We have these metal hooks, which is pretty popular in the cruise world. You get these metal hooks and you can hang things from them. Right now we have our clothes drying that doesn't fit into the bathroom. They also dry faster out here. They weren't sopping wet to begin with. What we've got here, I love this because this has an outlet. And you can turn off the lights for the entire room when you're ready to go to bed. You're like, oh shoot, I forgot to turn the lights off. There you go. It gets pretty dark. Anyway, so we brought this for all these plugs. I've got my phone charger here, my watch charger, and then this cord keeps our fan going nonstop. Right now it's on. It doesn't really need to be on. We're not exactly sleeping, but this way we can have the fan high powered. I love this fan. I'll have a link of it in the description of this video. It's by Frizzcool. We've had these fans going on 4 years now. We've taken camping with us, hotels, the ship obviously. So it's fantastic. And we just got our room clean, so we got a little towel heart here. We've had lots of little animals that are super cute. We've added a hook here that we've just put hats on. You've got your drawers here. In here you'll have information. Every stateroom comes with this blow dryer. I've been using it. It's not the best for my hair, and you really have to make sure because my hair's got caught in here a couple of times, and you know, ladies, that does not feel good. You've got a little bit of refrigerator in here. It stays cool to keep things like medicine or what have you cool enough. But it's not like a refrigerator. And here's a little closet. We have your safe. We haven't felt the need to use the safe, but you've got it here. We've kept clothes that, you know, are not quite dirty up here that we can wear again. We've got kids' clothes. They each have their name on it, so that makes it easier. His is hidden back there. So that's easy. We ended up putting like swimsuits in there for Dad and I. And then over here, you got the mirror. The mirror does have lights for ladies who need to use it for, you know, makeup purposes. And then you got lots of outlets, 1, 2, 3, was that European outlet, and then 2 USB chargers, which is great. So right now it's keeping, we got a fan here for the kids at night. We've got ducks that we found. This is from Bingo. You're holding our vitamins up here. The kids CPAS cards. This one has an EpiPen. If you've got a child who is allergic to something and has to carry an EpiPen, when you go into the kids area, they are required to take it with them. And then right in here, oh, let me show you this. So, you know, we have there's 5 of us. We've got 3 kids. What we've done here is just anything that we can think of that we might need. So we have had to dip into the Benadryl, which is not here right now. We had to have the Advil, which is just missing. So we literally just took it out. Kids Pepto, we've had to have that because, oh my gosh, there's so much food on board. My daughter said, oh, my stomach hurts. And let's see, we've got some extra hair ties, you know, cords, what have you. Dramamine. We keep it here just in case there's motion sickness, but none of our kids or adults have had motion sickness, so that's great. On our last smaller cruise, we did use the walkie-talkies, but that was also when we couldn't really text, so we haven't needed to text. So these walkie-talkies, my youngest just likes to play with them in the room. We haven't actually needed them. They've just stayed there and out of the way. I've used it for my hat. You have a closet here to hang up clothes, so we've got all of our dress clothes and miscellaneous stuff down at the bottom. Got our towels here. You get to check out the towels, and they're free as long as you return them. If you don't return them, then it's $25 a towel. So we are definitely keeping track of these towels because I don't want to buy a blue towel. And here's the restroom. You come standard with 2 hooks up here. We've added 2 metal hooks here to keep the clothes, off the floor and drying. I really like this shower. All of the other cruises that we had been to, it has a curtain. So I really like this is not a curtain. Also note that in past, the bathrooms that we've been to, it had hooks up here to like a clothesline. This does not have a clothesline, but the shower is really big. I really, really like this bar because ladies, you can shave in here and not have any issues. So I really, really like that. And you can tell this is pretty good size. I'm 5'7" and I still have lots of room in the shower and lots of room to move around so you're not squished. And the water always stays hot. So with 4 of us showering in here, it stays hot the entire time. So that's like a huge plus. Okay, and then we have our organizer of all of our toiletries. We've got that on the middle hook. The reason why it's so shoved over here, because these hooks aren't very strong when there's not a crease, I've noticed. So when you've got a crease, these hooks, they stick really well. So I've had no issue keeping that together. Yeah, and you got some shelves in here, nice little sink area, all of our towels, good amount of floor space. Down here we've got just a pile of clothes of, it's not really dirty. If we want to wear it again, we can wear it again. So those are just shoved there. One thing to note is our dirty laundry. I had seen a comment on Facebook under Harmony of the Seas of what they do with their dirty laundry, and I thought that was a fantastic idea because before I brought a hamper and I just kept it in the corner. So it took up some space, kind of like this thing over here I'll show you in a minute. But they said just put your suitcase under your bed, leave it open, and you just bring it in and out and put dirty laundry in it. I thought that was amazing. So we actually have 2 suitcases on here, but this one, just open it up and then there's our dirty laundry. Put it in, throw it under, and forget about it. So it's all nice and clean. Here, so we are actually traveling with our 3 kids and 2 adults. So 5, and 5 people don't fit in this room. Not legally anyway. And we're also traveling with my mom. So actually our oldest, who's 15, has been boarding with my mom, and that's worked out. But sometimes we thought she might want to sleep with us every now and then. So we did bring this mattress that rolls out, and we intended to have it right here if we ended up needing it, but we haven't used it and it's just been extra luggage, but better safe than sorry, right? I think that's about it. I don't think I'm missing anything else in this room. It's pretty self-explanatory. All of our little hacks have been shown, so yeah, hopefully this helped you. And if you plan on traveling in a room for 4 people, you will be a little squished. I will show you when this bed's pulled out tonight what it looks like, because you're doing this game the entire time. And it's not exactly comfortable, but hey, it works. And you're cruising, so you have nothing to complain about, right? You're just cruising and having a great time. So enjoy your cruise. One thing I forgot to show is that traveling with backpacks is a must, even when you're in the ship. We do a lot of hiking, so this is my hiking bag, and it's always filled with sunblock and change of clothes if we need it, bathing suits if we need it, towels from the ship, whatever we are planning to do that day and not have to come back to the room. Sometimes it's a long walk if you forget something, so traveling with a backpack in the ship is very, very helpful. And then I didn't show where we put our shoes, so I feel like there's probably a better place for shoes, but I just didn't care to move it around. It worked, it's out of the way, so we kind of just shoved our shoes here. Yes, you have to bring shoes if you're planning on doing I think you need shoes for zip lining, and well, that's about it on the cruise ship is shoes. But if you've got an excursion with lots of walking, you're gonna want shoes over flip-flops. Anyway, so then we also have our suitcase here that we packed with all of our shoes, and we've just kind of kept it here. In this corner is all of our shoes. So I wanted to add that in there. Just another tip. And coming back to our messy room, we are packing. So it's looking pretty messy, but this is what it looks like with the bed being pulled out. So you do not have a whole lot of room to get from the door to the bed. So you were constantly doing this and hitting stuff or just stepping on the bed, you know, whatever. So that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you learned a couple of things for your upcoming cruise. Check out our time spent on Harmony. We had a blast, so much so we turned around and booked it again for a few months later. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because really, why not?